Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the Apple Store billing problem. Alright, let's begin. If you're unable to make purchases or keep seeing a billing issue in the App Store, here's what you need to do. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and tap your profile icon at the top right corner. Then, tap on your name at the top of the screen. Next, scroll down and select Manage Payments. Here you'll see your current payment methods. To fix the issue, tap Add Payment Method and enter New Payment Details. This is important if you have an unpaid balance. Once you add a valid method, Apple will charge the outstanding amount automatically. After adding the new payment method, tap Edit at the top right corner. From here, you can remove the old or invalid payment method that caused the problem. Once that's done, go back and try making a purchase again. So that's basically how you can fix the Apple Store billing problem. That's it for this video. Thanks.